Hi guys. Today we're going to be doing a Q&A about Bonfire Night since we did a, what's it called? Firework video.
Yeah.
Because it's Bonfire Night, so yeah.
Can I tell the question this time?
Of course, because...
Why did Guy Fawkes start Bonfire Night?
Because in the Houses of Parliament, he went to the basement and there was all gunpowder and there was barrels of like gunpowder and stuff. So he sort of set a fire to it, but before he could light it, it caught him. But it's sort of lit, so that's what started fireworks.
But they took the gunpowder out and put this in a tube, put the top on, and then they put a stick up, and then they lit that stick and it went.
And that's what makes a fireworks. So yeah, okay, it's my turn to be the question now, and you'll be the answer.
So he's doing up spaces.
Okay, so what is so important about Bonfire Night?
It's, you know, every year,
Yeah.
like that adds up to. So we're in 2020.
Yeah.
And whenever, that is when it changes to a different number, like 2021.
Do you mean New Year's Eve?
Yeah, New Year's Eve.
That's ages away.
Yeah. Well, on New Year's Eve, that changes to...
Does that have anything to do with this?
No.
Anyways. Okay, we need to do that question again, guys. Okay, but what's so important about Bonfire Night? What do you think? What's your option? What's your opinion?
Well, I think it is for when Guy Fawkes got caught and they lit the fireworks to celebrate.
Yeah.
He got caught.
Because fireworks...
Since he was a thief.
Yeah. And, yeah, so that's right. So, Ma, it's your time to do a question now.
So, like, why do you...
I have a question.
Okay.
How many people were arrested on that night?
5.
How do you know?
Together? Ask Google or something.
I mean, I'm guessing it's 5. I don't
It's
know.
not just loads.
Let me see. Show me the number.
What? You were close to 5.
4, 3, 2, 1, 1, 1. That many? 15. Oh!
15 people.
Okay, so 15 people were arrested. Okay.
I was so close. Either they were in with that basement.
Okay, what's your question?
So, same question as you said to me.
It's what do you mean?
And you said that question, why do you think Bonfire Night is important?
Wait, 1 sec, guys. Okay, hi guys. Freddy's just closing the gate just so Baby doesn't come in. I just got some party food. And I just ate an onion. Ew. Pickled onions. Yeah. Ew. Well, it's nice, but it's like sour.
It's another question that you asked me, why is Bonfire Night important?
Yeah.
But I'm asking you the same thing.
I don't know.
Yeah, you said the answer.
Because people set fireworks off. And that's what makes it special, I'm guessing.
Close.
Okay,
You
what's
did
the
half
answer?
of it. They set fireworks off to celebrate that 15 people got arrested.
To celebrate that people got arrested.
Your breath smells of pickled onions.
Hey.
A bit.
No. Breath smells of poo.
That actually smells of pickled onions.
Thanks. I'll just eat one more and I'll breathe in this.
No, get that away from me. At least you can get pickled onion juice on me.
Do you
That sounds like a whistle. Like
I've got you a question. Why do fireworks make like a sound? Like,
it's because how fast they go off. Like how cars go yum. But that. Oh, it's the gunpowder lighting up like.
oh, I got what you mean.
And then they explode. It goes like bombs.
Okay, I've got another question.
No, that's my question.
Okay.
I'm doing a question. Why do you think that 15 people were arrested?
Because the 15 people might have set the fire to the House of Parliament, and the House of
How
Parliament
many times have you talked about this?
is really like big. So. It isn't the same question.
I wasn't swearing.
You only swear and you think so.
I wasn't swearing. That's what boys do.
It is the other way around.
Do it like that, Papa. You guess what shape, boys?
Okay, it's my question now. Why do you think that when you set a firework off and it has smoke on it, like when it
Because the gunpowder comes out of it, and when you light fire,
It's gunpowder and firework.
I mean, I'm guessing
I don't think it is.
because gunpowder makes like a fire, and like yeah, like a pew sound.
I'm gonna research it.
So the
So
gunpowder.
she is the researcher. He's the asker. And I'm the answer. Well, no. Well, we both are because we both ask.
The source of most fireworks is a small tube called an aerial shell that contains explosive chemicals. All the lights, colours and sounds of a firework come from these chemicals. An aerial shell is made up of gunpowder, which is well-known explosive.
Gunpowder. Boom. Chicka chicka. Boom. Chicka chicka. Boom.
So what was it? It's because if you light gunpowder or coal, it would make smoke. Because coal is a fossil fuel.
Yeah. It's called that black thing. Is it in fires like campfires?
Yeah.
Yeah. I drew with coal before.
Yeah.
Like drew on the path.
Yeah, I did.
I drew
And I got black all over me.
same.
You can. These are the three fossil fuels.
Okay, one sec, Freddie. I'm just gonna go
It is gas, oil, and coal. Those are the three fossil fuels which factories burn to make our food and stuff.
Red, pots and pink.
Stop it, Katie. Yes.
Katie, what is that orb?
Orb. Can you bring us a slice of that pizza in?
Yeah.
Is that orb? Freddy Pots and Pans.
Stop it, Katie.
Freddy Pots and Pans.
Stop, Katie.
Freddy Pots
Stop
and Pans.
it.
Freddy Pots and
Stop.
Pans. Why?
Stop, Katie, wait.
That doesn't bother us. Oh. Freddy Pots and Pans. Another world, another life. Thank God I found a good body. Yes, I do. I'm not a good singer.
Get it.
Well, Bruno. Oh, do you want me to get up?
Or can you open the gate?
Hello. I've been doing silly faces while you were gone. Meowing.